make her leave her boyfriend for you if you are an older guy. Like always, I have to give you a warning. Some people got a problem with words like mind manipulation and emotional enslavement. If you got a problem with the topic of controlling the subconscious mind of a woman to make her love you, then I have to tell you that this is probably not the right video for you. If you say you got no problem with this topic, I have to say congratulations. You're gonna learn a lot of interesting things in this video that will help you to trigger the right points in the mind of a woman to make her be you. In this video we will talk about how to make her break up with her boyfriend. One of my viewers wrote me an email. He told me about a sad story happened in his past. So he had a girlfriend in the past. They have been in a relationship for about 5 years. But then a co-worker of his girlfriend has stolen his girlfriend. He was really sad at this moment. I guess that is really understandable. What hurts him the most was that his girlfriend only knew this idiot for 2 weeks. And he was so honest with me that he told me that he wants to have a revenge for that. He also told me that he tried to use some lame pickup artist tricks that, like you probably know, never work. After that he told me something that really made me a little bit proud. He said that he used the mind control techniques he learned in the emails he received from me. If you would like to also receive this helpful information, like for example, presentations, videos or even ebooks, make sure to click the link in the description and put in your email address. The first thing you're gonna get is the ebook about the topic Make Her Leave Her Boyfriend for You if you are an older guy. Back to topic. So the mind control technique I told him about and used in this case was the hidden lie technique. The art of the hidden lie technique is to place a lie between undeniable truths. If done right, the female brain is not able to recognize that it is a lie, because the truth feeling of the truths that are wrapped around the lie are so strong. It is also a secret trick used in newspapers etc. So do not tell a woman right away to leave her boyfriend, that would be really dumb. Better use statements about him that are undeniable truths, and like you probably guess, in between these statements, you should put a lie. Let us talk about some examples. So just tell her something like that she should notice that her partner has not replied to her texts, and that this means he did not check his phone for hours, and that this means that she maybe loses the love for him. So do you realize that the first sentences are truths? If he has not replied, it is a truth that he also do not check his phone. But now comes the lie. The lie is that the first sentences mean that she probably loses feelings for him. But that is not all you can do with the hidden lie technique. You are not only able to put out negative things about her boyfriend, you will also be able to put out positive stuff about yourself. Say stuff like, for example, that you have a good job, that you are living in Miami, and that you are her perfect man. The first things should be the truth, and the last thing should be something you would love her to think. So that's it for today, my friend. Like I said, check out the link in the description to get everything you need to have the full picture about how to seduce women the right way if you are an older guy.